Finally, Usnesh is getting a proper job in Muzumbe, although people are not approving the relationship yaka Musamseleko and Sneh. Musamseleko is using Usne because now Khumalo is not supporting Lendaba yake yaka wife number 5. Guys, at this moment, we're not gonna judge Usne. Naye uyalidinga uthando laka babakhe to prove herself. So this is the opportunity for Sneh ukuthi naye akhombise ukuthi, you know what, I'm like impumelelo nami ngiyakwazi ukwenza izinto lana ekhaya. So uthando nesithembu season 8 episode 18. Musamseleko at Muzumbe on the big dining table. He calls Usne. He gives her instruction to accompany the Abakhongi guys on their second trip to ensure that she puts a headdress on Samke's head. He further reveals that there will be a second visit. They show us his Abakhongi guys, and none of them is from the Dube family. There are 2 Abakhongi. He mentioned that he is marrying Samke with 50 cows guys. I don't know how much it's 1 car, but Samke guys, she is priceless. So much money Samseleko is willing to spend on Samke. So again, he went on to say some wives' budget may be affected, but as for marrying wife number 5, he is marrying wife number 5. The strange thing is that he always call her wife number 5. So people have been complaining about kanti wife number 5 akanagama ngoba wife number 5 uSamke Khwela. They should call her Samke Khwela instead of calling her wife number 5. Even Abu Makhumalo, they are always calling her wife number 5. So on the diary section, Musamseleko finally reveals ukuthi he had a fallout with his sister Mpumi guys. Musamseleko has his only sister Mpumi. Apparently Mpumelelo went to some traditional healers. They told her that her brother was blocking her blessing as he doesn't wanna see her to be successful. So she believed that and started believing things. Therefore Mpumi is unavailable for her with anything guys. It say Mpumi right now she is unavailable. They no longer have a relationship. So Usne as the firstborn yakamseleko, she will be doing the duties zakampumi, which is Musamseleko's sister, because right now she's not available. They no longer have a relationship with Musamseleko. So guys, some people are blaming Musamseleko. What happened? Maybe there's something that you said to Mpumi and Mpumi felt like, you know what, let me just step back and just walk away, because you know what, it seems like me and my brother, we're not gonna have a relationship. Everything is all about him, because we've seen that Musamseleko guys is always playing the victim. If you've been following Uthando Nesithembu from season 8 first episode, Musamseleko is someone who's not ready to take accountability. He will blame someone else rather himself. So anyway guys, tell me in the comment section, finally Usne, she's getting a proper job.